What's up, I'm Carl G. Richter, and this is Monday Fun Day, the show designed to spark joy for our craft. I used to say it was the craft of instructional design, but I realized that joy can come from any craft. So whether you're in HR, you're a recruiter, you're a technician, you work in sales, you work anywhere that you work, the more you practice those skills, you get better and better. That's fundamentally what I love most about the craft of instructional design. I like helping people make progress. I like helping people grow. And if I'm being honest, I like disappearing from all the problems of the world and doing nothing but focusing on my craft. I enjoy looking through those PDFs to find a way to make that content memorable. I enjoy finding a deeper and deeper bag of tricks to make those ideas stick in someone's head. That may not be your craft, but you can still find joy in the craft that you do as well. I started these videos as an antidote to all the stress, strife, and struggle that we're all dealing with. And I realized that for me, this is part of my craft. And for you, what your craft is, whether it's cooking, whether it's woodworking, whether it's something you do around the home, maybe it's just beating your kids in board games. That could be a craft, your escape, your release, and it's another great day, all because of your craft.